This is our VendaVolt 2008 machine. That means it has 8 selection to run 8 different machines, or lightning, or washing machines, dryers, or car wash bays, or car wash vacuum cleaners, anything that gets electrical signals or switch closures. You could use different kind of payment, credit card or the Clear Token app, but we also provide you with either with a key fob or a payment access card for service or free pay or prepaid services. I'm gonna show how it works. On the Nayax, you could use the fob. Then you choose, let's say this one is set up for washer and dryer, like I want to use a washer that's worth $4, and it's gonna send the signal wirelessly to that, just for a switch closure. Same thing with the card. This time I'm gonna choose the dryer. Any of the machine I could choose. I'm gonna choose number 3. Now I'm gonna show the app. That's the Clear Token app that you have to download on your phone. Fill it up with money. Then you choose the right number from the sticker that's on the machine. This one is AF989. You pay. Same thing, because they're all $4 or all the same payment. I just picked one, and now that machine is running. We also have the same one in 4 selection button if you only have 4 machines, but it could be extended up to 8.
Visa, MasterCard.
The Nayax takes Visa, MasterCard, any kind of credit card, Apple Pay. The Clear Token also could be funded with any kind of credit card, bank account.
Visa, MasterCard.
More info, please visit XCPcorp.com. This is the screen that, if it's on wall mount or on a stand, it's easily visible, that send you the balance, and each could be figured by time or balances, meaning let's say you have a $4 washing machine and a $3 dryer. If you only pay $3, then the washer light's never gonna light up, only the dryers. It could be wireless to the washers, dryers, or hardwired. It's up to you. And as we said, up to 8 different machines. It could be on a console stand, wall mount, or just regular table mount like this.
For more information, contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021 or drop us an email, sales@xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video.